Hi, I'm Tom Sparke. Welcome back to the Captain Fishbeard YouTube channel. In today's game, you're going to need to start off either with a blindfold or with your eyes closed. So let's go. Follow me to the table. Okay, here we go. We're going to go with a Scribble Game today. I need to say thanks to my friend Jan for reminding me of this one. It is a lot of fun. We're going to take a pencil or a pen, either way. Close your eyes up tight. You have to trust that I'm doing that because I can't turn my camera around at the moment. Trust that I'm doing that. And then do a random shape. You can draw a letter, a number, or take an instruction from somebody else as to what to do. I'm just going to literally let my pen follow that. Okay, what do we do there? Oh, that's a very odd shape. Okay, now we've got to try and use a bit of imagination to see what that could become. I think this could look a little bit like an arm. So let's make that into an arm. Coming up like that. There we go. This looks like a head to me. So let's say that's what that is. And I'm going to start to put my own characteristics on it now. It's already starting to come to life. He looks very thoughtful, whoever this chap is. I have him looking off into the sky. Okay. He's very pensive. What could he be thinking about? Something pretty serious, it looks like. Let's have him sitting in a chair. What's he looking at up here? Let's say there's a bird. Why is he worried about this bird, though? Let's say it's because the bird's carried off his little friend. I don't know. So that's a great game. Really, really good fun and endless possibilities there. You can do it on your own, you can do it with friends, you can challenge each other to do it with different shapes. Endless possibilities, lots and lots of fun. Cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers, bye.